Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to collect coins on Temu. So let's get right into it. First of all, we will go to the Temu app. Just simply open up the Temu app, and here you have to go on U, which is the bottom of the screen. Just select the icon, and here you have to hit on earn credits and free gifts. Just simply select your bundle. Pick one of them. Okay, select the color and pick the gift. So guys, once you pick up your gift, then you have to spin, and you have to invite your friends over here, and then you will be able to get more coins over here. And that's it guys. This is how to collect coins on Temu. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.